as you work through Musescore, you'll have to know how to select one or multiple items. So here are a few shortcuts that I know of. Selecting one thing is pretty easy. You usually just click on it. And once it turns blue, that means it's selected. If I want to select both of these notes at the same time, I can hold down Control and then click on both of them, and both of them will be selected. This Control is good if you need to select kind of a bunch of random things, like maybe this note and then this one over here and then that rest. But if you need to select things that are all close to each other or all in the same measure or one right after the other, you can use Shift. So you would click the first thing in the series of items that you want to select, hold down the Shift button, click the last thing in the series of items that you want to select, and it'll select all of it, like so. If it has that blue box around it, it means it's that entire series. It's good for selecting like whole measures. And I mentioned this in another video. If you want to select just this measure here, or that measure there, or whatever, one measure at a time, if you click in the middle of the measure, in kind of the white space here, where you're not really touching anything else, it'll select the whole measure for you. And that's really handy.